Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Osman's Friends. How are you all? Hope you're all doing good and great at home. Friends, every PharmD student I met always requested me to make aware of complete information regarding various field availability for PharmD postgraduates after completion of their course. As we can see, there are plenty of sectors like hospital, pharmaceutical industries, clinical or contract research organizations, public health sector, research and development, insurance companies and higher education where lots of opportunities exist which provide good job offers for PharmD postgraduates. Let's talk about them in detail. First one is hospital, and we all know that this is a major domain for PharmD postgraduates because this course is more clinically oriented, in which students study 2 years of pharmacology and 3 years of therapeutic subject, and all are practically prepared and more oriented towards hospital. There are mainly 6 major roles of pharmacist in any government or private hospital. The first and most important one is clinical pharmacist. The next one is drug information pharmacist, followed by quality service officer. The fourth will be clinical pharmacy manager, and fifth will be research associate. And lastly, sixth one will be hospital administration. Let's talk about clinical pharmacist. Clinical pharmacists work along with physicians and other healthcare professionals to ensure that the medication prescribed to patient will contribute to the best treatment outcomes. Clinical pharmacists will also participate in ward rounds. They have information regarding drugs and poison. They are involved in clinical review, monitoring and reporting of ADRs, that is adverse drug reactions, community services, therapeutic drug monitoring, prevention and monitoring of drug-drug interactions, patient counseling, medication history review, and optimization of therapy. The clinical pharmacist plays a major role in establishing, maintenance, and functioning of the clinical pharmacy services. That is, apart from providing good health gain to the patient, these clinical pharmacy services will help the corporate hospitals to get international hospital accreditations in India. There are many corporate hospitals in our city which provides clinical pharmacist recruitment in their hospital. The earning depends upon the hospital and its location. Initially, on an average, clinical pharmacist gets around 12 to 20,000 per month. The second job opportunity for PharmD postgraduates will be drug information pharmacist. In our country, we do not have any separate position or role for drug information pharmacist, where it is similar to the pharmacist who give information regarding the drug to the healthcare professionals and the patients. As there is no concept of drug information pharmacist in our country, the clinical pharmacist itself will act as a drug information pharmacist. The third job opportunity for PharmD postgraduates will be quality service officer. Quality service officer is responsible for overseeing and supporting pharmacy operations to ensure compliance with timely regulations. Quality service officer develops and implements programs to align pharmacy activities with key organizational goals and initiatives. A quality service officer participates in planning, development, implementing, and overseeing quality improvement initiatives and quality assurance programs at the central pharmacy and correctional facility pharmacies. He also conducts quality assurance audits of pharmacy operations such as drug packaging, handling, storage, delivery, and administration. He identifies and implements effective process improvement measures to support pharmacy services development and operations. In our country, there is no separate position yet for this position. Moving on to the fourth job opportunity for PharmD postgraduates in hospital is clinical pharmacy manager. A clinical pharmacy manager will assist in managing all the aspects of pharmacy services, daily operations for delivery systems. The responsibilities include supervising daily work schedules, assigning personnel, and ensuring adequate staffing for the daily operations of the pharmacy departments. Assists in selection and training and orientation of departmental staff, evaluating work performance and making recommendations for personal actions. Establishing and maintaining departmental policies and procedures, safety, environmental, regulatory, and infection control standards. Acts as a communication link with other department and medical staff concerning the medication use process, including ordering, distribution, information, patient reactions, errors, and complaints. Responsible for staff awareness and adherence to department compliance plan for controlled substances, reviews, updates, and approves all marketing and website information before publication. Moving on to the fifth opportunity, that is hospital administration. A PharmD postgraduate can join hospital administration after gaining a PG diploma or another post-graduation in hospital administration, and they will be posted as hospital administration manager. Their roles and responsibilities include establishing objectives for the organizations and formulating or approving policies and program, authorizing and organizing the establishment of major departments and associated senior staff positions, allocating material, human, and financial resources to implement organizational policies and programs, establishing financial and administration control, formulating and approving promotional campaigns, and approving overall personnel planning, selecting middle managers, directors, or other executive staff, coordinating the work of regions, divisions, or departments. A hospital administration manager represents the organization or delegate representative to act on behalf of organization in negotiations or other official functions. The earnings depends upon the hospital and its location. Initially, on an average, a hospital administration manager gets around 18 to 20,000 per month. And coming to the last job opportunity for PharmD postgraduates in hospital, that is research associate. In hospital, the research associates will be getting positions as junior research fellow following senior level and principal investigator. We will be discussing about this in detail in a separate video. Hope this video is informative to you all. We will meet again soon with another informative video. Thank you.